Stay focused, connected, and entertained with the perfect companion, Android Auto, in your new Mazda. Getting started is easy once you've downloaded the free Android Auto app onto your phone from the Google Play Store. First, you will need to make sure that the car is in park and the parking brake is engaged. Using a USB cable, connect your Android device to the USB port labeled with a smartphone icon. Then follow the prompts on your phone. Your Mazda Connect will detect your smartphone, and you'll just need to follow the on-screen prompts shown on the Mazda Connect screen. From your device, follow the prompts to allow Android Auto. There are 3 ways to access Android Auto. The first and easiest way is to press and hold the home button next to the commander knob until the Android Auto user interface appears on your Mazda Connect screen. From the Mazda Connect home screen, you can also tilt the commander knob forward to highlight the Android Auto icon in the top left corner, then press down on the knob to select. Or from the Mazda Connect home screen, rotate the commander knob to highlight Applications. Press down to select, then rotate to highlight Android Auto and press down to select. Now you have access to select features on your phone through Android Auto. Now if you want to switch between the Android Auto platform and your car's Mazda Connect system, just press and hold the home button. Each time you do this, you will toggle between your previous Android Auto screen and the Mazda Connect home screen. With Android Auto, you have access to a select number of your device's features and apps while driving in your new Mazda. But please don't let your device distract you from the task at hand: driving.